Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to label if we are using only one dimension and one measure. So to create the problem, I'm connecting to sample superstore and creating a simple view using my subcategory as my dimension, and I'm using sales as my measure. Now you see, when I drop that, I'm getting my sales in the value here, but I cannot see the label of sales here. So that is my problem statement. So we can fix this in two ways. One is we can use the concept of measure names and measure values. And so to do that, I'm selecting uh, profit or any measure that you want, and I'm just double clicking that. So by doing that, what happens is Tableau automatically creates measure names and measure values here. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to filter shelf and selecting the only measure that I need here. Click on this, click on apply, and okay. So that's it. Here you go. You see, now we got the labels here. So that's it from my side in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.